What is going on, guys and girls of the Pokemon world? I'm Josh from the PokeDuo, and today we got ourselves something a little different here. Went to Dollar Tree today and I found these weird Pokemon things. Yeah, really weird. 4 cards in each one. I got 10 of them. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into them. Gonna have to use my scissors for these because it's a weird kind of plastic. So yeah, I believe it's 4 cards. Oh, that did not work. Try that again. Don't want to cut any cards. I think I've opened like one before, a couple before, like when I first started collecting. Like, of course, back then, you know, you're little, you don't have like any money, so I guess we'll just flip the card over and see what we got. So we got a Deerling, Whismur, Carbink, and oh, a Steam Siege card. Okay, so I guess these can be new because that Chimchar is from Steam Siege. Alright, I didn't think I was going to be getting that new of cards, but I guess I am. Alright, I think I got that there. Alright, some more Fates Collide cards. We got Seal, Whismur, Diglett, and a Persian. So, another Steam Siege card. Almost got the card there. Alright, so we got Binacle, Fletchling, Vullaby, and a Ninja Boy. Alright, so that is good. That pays for a couple of these right there. Alright, next pack here. Like I said, I got 10 of these. I don't know, I think if I like what I got out of these in the end, I think I might get some more, maybe. We'll see. Alright, sorry I messed it up there, but got a Level Ball, which is nice. Rapidash, Meowth, and a Nincada. Alright, how much packs we got left? Oh, we got quite a few. We got 6 packs left. Keep getting this the wrong way. Alright, so we got another Binacle, Krokorok from Plasma Freeze, Minccino, and a Ponyta. Alright, next pack here. Yeah, I know for sure I have got a couple of these before, but I had like way older cards. So we got Shuckle, Whismur, Minccino, and a Litleo upside down. Alright, moving on. I'm gonna cut from the side here. Alrighty, so we got a Snivy, Shelter, Weepinbell, and a Litleo. Alright, 3 more packs to go. Alright, okay, so we got a Swirlix. So there's quite a variety in these. Got a Deerling, got a Wooper, and a Psychic Energy. Alright, second last pack here. Okay, what do we got here? We got Pikachu. Alright, so we got Pikachu, Phantom, oh, ruined it, Weasel, and a Litwick. Alright, final pack here of this $10 Dollar Tree pack opening. So we got another Phantom, different set though. We got Riolu, got a Ralts, and a Persian. So that is it for this 10 card Dollar Tree pack opening. I'd say our best pull would have to be that Ninja Boy. That pays for most of it. Yeah, so our main pull is that Ninja Boy right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Planning to probably do a couple more of these, so hope you excited to see that, and see you next time. Bye.